Hey, hey, hey. Happy Thursday, everybody. Hope everybody is happy for the weekend. So, I have a package here um, from a new company I'm just trying. It's called Cosmic Blends. But before we get into this package, right quick, my name is LashawnTerry. Welcome. If you're not subscribed, please do and click that notification bell. But the most important thing too, please give me a thumbs up on the way in. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. I can't see who's giving me a thumbs up. I do want to get into the algorithm, and I think I bring in great videos and content for you. So if you could just do me that favor, I greatly appreciate it. And until I get this, let me get this stuff out of the box and we're going to hit this intro right quick. Okay, so we are back. So, yeah, this order is from Kozmic Blends. She is on Etsy. I found out about this company through another fragrance girl, Janelle, I believe her name is. I watch her all the time. I should know what her name is. But I made this order on February 25th, which was a Sunday. On her site, it says 6 to 7 days processing time. I just got it today. She did print the label out last week, and it didn't start to move until I think Monday, if I'm not mistaken. So it was over the 6 to 7 days processing. You can go on to her page. If you just put in Cosmic Blends, it will take you straight to her Etsy site. She is out of Warren, Michigan. I got 4 products from her. One of them is, because it's hard to see the letters, but this one is a marshmallow cream whipped body butter. This one, as you can see, is a marshmallow cream body oil. I got a vanilla Dulce whipped body butter and a Fruit Loops body butter, and these are all 2 ounces. This is 6 ounces. The body butters were $10.95 each, and the oil was $24.95. And I also used the code. It maybe was for 20% off. I'm not sure. But the order for everything was $55.51. I believe the shipping was free, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I had a discount of $5.78. Tax $3.49. The shipping, I believe, was free. And I believe it was also shipped priority. Maybe, I'm not 100% sure. I have to look at my email. And as you know, I record on my phone. So I can't look at it. But let's see what we got. Let's see what the marshmallow cream is smelling like. Smells good. It is whipped, as you can see. Nice and soft. I have to go see what the ingredients are in it. If these are truly butters or if they're body creams. But nice and soft. Smells really nice so far. I don't know if she make these one by one. But yeah, it's a nice marshmallow scent. This one is the vanilla Dolce. And that caramel Dolce scent is nice and is strong. This one is more solid. Let me see. Yeah, they're both whipped body butters. I don't know that one. I mean, it says marshmallow cream, creme, and this one just says whipped body butter. So one is a creamy whipped butter, and the other one is more. It doesn't look as creamy. Seems more of a salad. But again, the caramel in this is very nice, not overpowering. It kind of smells like popcorn when I put it on. I just spot tested it on my arm and it kind of smells like a popcorn to me. I don't normally like smelling like popcorn. And this one is a nice Fruit Loop. A little bit look like, I don't know. This is how it look. I just took the top off of it. You smell the this is spot on for Fruit Loops. Spot on for Fruit Loops. It smells really good. I also have a Fruit Loops from Bubble Bistro. It's called Loopy. I do think for $10.95 this should have been filled up a tad bit more. Then I know it probably shifted, but you look at this one. The other ones are filled up. This one is filled up. This one I showed y'all is filled to the top. And I don't know what happened to this. But, okay. And then you got the Marshmallow Cream Body Oil. Smells like a nice marshmallow. Nice and sweet. I can't say $25. You know, it's just a oil, but once I use them, I could come back more with more of a review how I like them, but they do smell good. Yeah, they do smell good. The body, the oil is nice. I could see the difference from my hands because I just washed my hands. So yeah, it's nice. Seems like it's not very greasy or oily. Has a light marshmallow scent. Of course, you know, when it comes to scents like marshmallow and stuff, those are very light to my nose. You know, when you mix, it's a layering or a mix, something that you mix with just to give your fragrance or whatever other fragrances you are using a more sweeter scent. So that's what I get from Marshmallow. But yeah, just some more butters and oils. Not that I needed to add, but when I do use it, I will come back with a more proper review. This is just an unboxing to show my order, a small order that I got from Kozmic Blends. She has nothing but 5 stars across the board, so I'm assuming that people really do like her stuff. And Yeah, it smells nice. Really nice scent. So yeah, I come back to you when I use it. But this right here do smell like popcorn on me. I don't know what it is with a vanilla caramel scent. It's kind of like that Bum Bum cream, the 71 or the 72 from that company. I had put that on. It smelled really good when I smelled the oil. But when I put it on and let it dry down, as I walked around Sephora, it dried down on me like popcorn. And I put it back. I was like, I really don't want to smell like popcorn. So yeah. But anywho's, I'm gonna get up off of here so I could get myself going, take my shower, and go fix my dinner. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.